Sometimes this won't come up, and this little plastic, you just pull it apart, just gently, because you don't want to crack this. But this little cap comes off, and it allows you to take this off, this little cover. And I found, when I first had it, this didn't come up like that until I took this off. But now, it seems like when I put it on, I don't have that problem anymore. So I'm not sure why that, unless it wasn't on from the factory properly in the first place, maybe. So you do want to be careful with that though, so it doesn't come off and it's properly snapped on. But once I took that off, now it does seem to come up freely, but until I did that, it didn't do it. So we're going to take this off. It almost feels like you're going to break it. There's two little nubs, so you want to orient it the same way. Let's see how it's. So you just have to make sure it's angled pretty far out to get that to go in there, and then twist it down. And that's it. Isopropyl alcohol. I always wipe the new blades. You can see what came off just from manufacturing. There's usually a film on there. And if you don't wipe this off, it can sometimes mar the windshield or the glass. The alcohol just helps take that off. And that's it.